Hey guys, it's Wally Reese with Chattanooga Property Solutions. I'm here with David, and we just sold his property up in the Lakesite area. And Dave, just a couple of questions for you. What was your situation with and why you called us?
So I actually got engaged, and my fiance has a house, and I have a house, and we just need to get rid of one. And I was looking for something quick and easy that would just sell the property fast.
Very good, very good. Now, why did you call our company as opposed to everybody else?
Well, I've known about your company for a while because I was a friend of the family
Right.
type of deal, and that was the first person I called, so it ended up working out very well.
We have known each other for a few years, haven't we?
Yes, yes.
You used to go to church together, know your mom
Right.
and dad real well.
Yes, it was back in early teenager years.
A few years ago.
Yeah.
A few years ago. Well, why did you find the process to be fast, easy, and stress-free?
Absolutely. It was everything was just emailed to me. I could fill it out, the paperwork once it was sent in, and it was very easy.
Good, good, good.
Fill out.
The last question I have is based off of your experience with our company. If you had other people that were in the same situation, similar to yours, or anybody needed to sell a house, would you recommend our company? And if so, why?
Absolutely. And it's just because the process was so quick and easy. I mean, it took maybe a couple weeks, and that was it. So it was very good. So yes, I would totally recommend it.
Well, it's been great doing business with you, David. Thank you very
Good.
much. I hope
Thank you.
everything goes well in the future.
All right.
Thanks a lot.